Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on adjusting the volume of your TikTok videos. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. When you are on the editing page of TikTok, tap on the Add Sound option at the top. Here you can choose a song to add to your video if you like. In the bottom left, you can keep or remove the original sound. Tap Volume in the bottom right. Here you can change the volume of the original sound and the added sound. If you are talking in the video, then have the original sound a bit louder. Tap Done once you have adjusted the volume to your liking. You can now post your video like normal. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more TikTok tips and tricks.